Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon pumpkin. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to the latest video on how to draw a cartoon pumpkin. Must be that time of year again when fall is coming, leaves change color, and it's time to do some sketching on some pumpkins. Alright, as you can take a note of my sketching techniques, very critical. It's not tracing, it's just randomly moving your pencil quickly in the action that you can see yourself creating this little cartoon. As you can tell, I have two eyeballs and a big mouth, and now I'm going to be adding right where the little stem is on the pumpkin, and just build the whole structure first. This is the best way when working, and always, here's another little tip. If you have a stopwatch or something that you could time yourself with, that's a handy thing. At the end of it, write down that number as well as the date so that you can see your progression as you get better as an artist. That's a good milestone for us upcoming artists. And even for myself, I'm still learning after all the years. Okay, now I just notice, once again, quick lines getting really dark, building the structure around the actual pumpkin. I kind of had it in my head what it kind of looks like, but sometimes you might need to get references of what the pumpkin looks like, and as you can tell, those lines are all the shape inside. It helps, but as a cartoon, anything can go. So this is really fun. And building it up. So this one also I inked in Illustrator, and then I used my watercolor brush in Photoshop and I colored that in. That's the final version that you saw in the opening, and you'll see it back at the end of this video as well. So if you notice, now I'm just building the areas where it's shadow, so it kind of helps me to see the shape and the development of this little pumpkin. And sometimes I could take 3 or 4 times to do this sketch before I get to the final one. And actually, when I was doing this video, I think I did about like 6 different pumpkins. This is one of the 6. Like 2 of them I didn't really like. So not every time I do something, it comes out to something that I like. But when drawing traditionally on paper, normally you don't want to throw them away. That's a good way of seeing how strong you're getting better as an artist. You'll learn, and you can have a portfolio. Alright, and let's indicate where like a big mouth inside, that'd be like shadow. You can even put a candle in there, you can have a mouse in there, whatever you want. Use your imagination. Always, as I can say. And there's a little curly cube on top for the pumpkin right now there. I'm just quickly putting together the stem and the color. In my mind, I have it is when I ink it in, you'll see a lot different inking. And let's just quickly put some speed lines on the bottom for the shadowing. And the mouth there too. Give it some different contrast. Then, all done. Sign it and date it. Great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.